Hey Allison, so this is you guys' website. Looks like a pretty nice website. Looking at it, I like the layout. You guys only have 494 words of content on there. I would add more. The more content you have, the better. Google loves content. It finds keywords in there, and it helps you ranking. It just gives you a better, it boosts you when it comes to Google searches. Next thing would be images. Let's see if we can find one. Let's see what it's saved as. So you want this to be saved as a keyword. So you'd want AC repair Evansville, or you know HVAC Evansville, or heating or furnace repair, or something, location specific, and a keyword. So yeah, buyer intent with location specific keywords. Let's go check out AC Repair Evansville. First is going to be ads. You got to be verified by Google to get these ads. They're supposed to be a little less spammy. And then you got the original ads down here. Then you got the GMB. And then you got organic ranking. Grabbing this top guy. This is what his website looks like. Um, it it's a little deceiving. It looks like he doesn't have much content, but he has a lot because of all these reviews in here. This gives him a whole bunch of content there, and you'll see he's got 2,255 words of content. Somehow he's got all that content. He might have it hidden in his website, other spots as well. Like all this stuff. So, it doesn't look like there's much, but he's actually got quite a bit of content on his page. So, yeah, you can try to beat that. You don't necessarily have to, but, if you have better content than he does, that's fine. But, maybe you could put some reviews on your page as well, or something, and just add more content. Let's check out what what he saves his images as. He probably doesn't do it right. Most people don't. Nope, he doesn't. So now he's missing an opportunity that you can take advantage of, because now Google, it can't see photos, but it can see what they're saved as, and then it gives you a keyword. So it's just a missed opportunity if you don't do it. Putting in Ahrefs, a cool tool I like to use. You guys have a 25 UR, which is pretty, that's decent. Your DR is 1.3, so that needs to come up. Your backlinks get 473, which isn't bad. 121 referring domains, 91 keywords, and you get about 76 people a month to your website. This is just an estimated number. Let's go see what your keywords are. So it looks like your name, HVAC Evansville, Indiana, 100 volume, 20 KD. You rank number 8 right there. So you're on the first page there. You get about 4 people. Most people are coming from searching your name though. Heating and air. So yeah, it looks like you're kind of at the bottom of page 1 for these keywords. And then obviously with your name, you're at the top for those ones. Let's go check out your competition. So this guy, he doesn't have that good of a DR score either. His UR score is basically the same. Let's see what it is. He got 25, they got 26, 1.3, they got 1.6. So they're just slightly better on both those. So that's not too bad. You got more backlinks and referring domains than they have. So that's good. You might have some spammy ones in here or something. That's hurting your, your DR score. So you'd want to go after some backlinks that have a higher DR score. Let's go see like these ones, the 00, that doesn't help you. So you'd want to disavow those backlinks. All these ones, that's just hurting your score. It's just junky ones. Yeah, and you can come in here and see why it's here. Unless these people do something to their website to make it not as spammy. So let's go toss this person into Ahrefs and see what this website looks like. They could do some SEO on their website, and then those backlinks become really good. But I'm guessing their website, yeah, 11 UR, 0 DR, you know, that's not going to help you at all when it comes to your backlinks. So I just, disavow those and get rid of them. Next, let's go. That's the spot that I was talking about. Okay, so let's check out this guy. Let's see what his backlinks are. We can basically come in here and grab the ones that we like of his. Not all backlinks are created equal. As you saw, the spammy ones out there, and then you also want to make sure you get ones that are relevant to your industry. You don't want to go get ones that, you don't want fast food linking to. You don't want, some mom blog talking about, nails or, you know, like doing like family stuff or cooking. You want something that's relevant to your industry. Like another, even plumbing would work, HVAC, um, electrician, all those type of things, construction, remodeling, basically anything like that. It just gives you the most strength. Google's smart. But yeah, we can see what this guy has. Let's see what this one is. I think it's just a directory if I remember right. And it's taking forever to load. That happens a lot because my computer's slow. Nearby now. You can try to figure out how this guy got it. And this looks like a directory to me. Start a trial. You might be paying every month to get that backlink. So you could start a trial, try to figure out how to get it if you wanted it. It's got a good DR. Your score could be a little better, but it's not terrible. Other backlinks you can go after. You can get blog commenting, blogging, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, citation directories. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You just want to make sure you get ones that are good, not spammy, and that are relevant to industry. Let's see what this guy's keywords are. So you obviously his names, but Ace Air Conditioning Repair, Evansville, Indiana, 50 and 16. He's position number 3 there. If you're going to do Google Ads, this one right here, no one's spending money on the ads right here. So not a bad one. You could spend $1 and, appear on the top spot with the ad. So it's not a terrible one if you wanted to do Google Ads, versus spending, whoever's doing this, $13 to try to grab his competition. That's not set up good. Here's another one. I mean, it's only 20 volume, 11 KD. The higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for. The lower the KD, the easier it is. 16. It's going to take some time. It's not terrible, but it will take time. This one, it's got a 120. If you do Newberg or Newberg, I'm not sure how you say that, but that's not bad. But we can come in here, we can check out other competition and try to find all the keywords that you like and that you want on your website, and then just add them to your website either through images being saved or just directly in the content. You want to make sure the content's organic and like flows naturally. You don't want to keyword stuff. Heating and air, Evansville, 114. But yeah, this guy might not have the best keywords. There's probably other competitors out there that have better ones. Next thing I want to talk about is the GMB. Just coming in here, grabbing this top guy. There's ads once you come in here. Some people spend money. It's like a free trial you can do for ads too with your GMB. But yeah, so first you want to make sure you set it up 100%. I saw your guys's. I can't remember if it was set up 100%, but if it's not, you want to have it 100% complete. Next, you want to have as many photos as you can. The more photos you have, the better. The content of your GMB is your photos. And third would be citations. Citations are directories. You want to make sure that you have the name the same on your GMB as the directory, your phone number the same, and the location the same. Let's go check this out. You have 42 citations. This guy has 48. So you have some. I would go for more. This thing only finds about 80% of them, so you probably have closer to 50, or probably 50 something. But let's we can come in here and see which ones he has. You can also get social profile citations like Facebook, YouTube. Obviously BBB, the citation, Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can Google for more. But it's something that's not too hard to do. It just takes a lot of, it's time consuming, but it's definitely something you can do. You can go grab all this guys and you can go Google for more. There's thousands of them out there. Hopefully this helps. If you want, we can talk more. Sorry I dragged down a little bit. But thanks for watching. I would love your feedback on this if you could. Hope you have a good rest of your night, and thanks for watching.